Okay, so here we have an exponential equation. 3 to the x minus 6 power is equal to 11 to the 10x power. Again, we have two powers here that both have x in them, so we're going to have to do a little bit of algebra massaging to do here. So first off, take the logarithm of both sides. I just use the base 10 logarithm so my final answer will be in terms of base 10 logarithms, because then I can plug it into my calculator pretty easily. And what that allows us to do is, taking the log of both sides, we can use the power law of logarithms to take these powers 10x and x minus 6 out from the powers and into the front as coefficients. So here you can see I have x minus 6 multiplied by that log, 10x multiplied by that log. Now you can see we have x on both sides of the equation, so we can't actually isolate x just yet. What we have to do is multiply out everything, multiply out this, or distribute out the log 3 to both terms, move the x's to the same side, and then factor it out, and then that's going to allow us to isolate it. So here's how we're going to do it. Multiply log 3 to both terms, so we have x times log 3 minus 6 times log 3. That's equal to the right side. Then what I want to do is I want to move the terms with x to the same side of the equation. So I'm going to move this to the left side, and I want to get all the other terms. So you can see I have a constant term, right? 6 log 3, that's just a number. I'm going to move that to the right side. So here, this will become positive. Over here on the left, this will become negative. And so now, you can see I have two terms with x, and what I can do is sort of factor out that x from both terms. So now I have x times the quantity log 3 minus 10 log 11 is equal to 6 log 3. And then finally, again, I only have now one instance of x. That's what I wanted to do. I can divide by this entire thing here, log 3 minus 10 log 11. And so I get x equal to 6 log 3 divided by that whole thing. That's our exact answer. And you can plug that into your calculator, and you can see you're going to get about negative 0.29 as your final answer.